Welcome to Pydle Day 75. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. If you like puzzles like Wordle, but you want a coding twist, then have a go at playing Pydle. Today's Pydle is a funny face, so have a go at solving that. If you're new to Pydle or you do just like some inspirations, hang around, and I'm going to solve yesterday's Pydle, which was a little fish. Okay, so we can see there's a lot of symmetry apart from the blue eye, the pixel that represents eye. The rest is all kind of symmetrical. So let's tackle that first. So let's say for x in range. So we're not going to bother with Cartesian coordinates for x, but for y we are. For y in range -2, 3. Okay, so let's do the whites first. So you say if absolute value of y equals 2 and x not equals 2, okay, let's do that first. Pydle x comma 2 minus y. That's to convert from the Cartesian coordinates to Pydle coordinates, which start from the top, no character, and then white. Okay, so that did that. We'll see. We can see later if we can squeeze in those other whites in this as well. Let's just see. Let's do that. X not equals 2. Let's do that. Or absolute. So that'll be x. Absolute value of y equals. Okay, that's going to be 3, 1. Okay. Let's see what operator precedence going to do. I think, or yeah, I think the or is going to be executed separately. Let me see what's the error there. It doesn't look like a tuple. Yeah, this needs to be a tuple. I think that's going to work with operator precedence. Yes. Okay, so that looks quite cute. Already have an outline of a fish. I should have just kept it like that. Looks quite nice. So we're going to leave the yellow pixels till last, because I think there's most of them single color. So let's do the purples next. Well, the purple's the most. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so they're both 6. So maybe let's leave the purples till last, because they're probably the most complicated. Okay, so we need let's do the orange. Else if so y equals 0 and x in 1, 2. Okay, so that's going to be our orange ones. Okay, that looks good. And now we can do something like let's do the purples. Let's do the purples first because they would actually be easier. So else if, and we've already done the white, so we just say else if x greater than 2 or abs y equals 2, and we make them purple. So because we already eliminated the whites, that condition will work. Okay, so we are literally nearly there. So we just need to do a blue. Although I think we're close to running out of lines, so we may need to put some of these on a single line. So we can let's just do these on a single line. So we say else. Let's do white, yellow and blue together. So if you didn't bother with the blue, you could just have said add. Okay. So now we can just, in that same line, can have kind of a ternary there. So yellow, so let's do blue. Blue, if, and then we just create a tuple of x comma y equals, so x is 0, and okay, that hopefully would solve the Pydle, and we did it in 10 lines, so you are restricted to only 10 lines of code for a Pydle. So that solves the Pydle. Hope you enjoyed that, and have a go at solving today's Pydle, and I'll see you again tomorrow.